Hi guys, so today I want to tell you about the Diffuse Air. Basically, it's a revolutionary new product for getting the fresh air into your room. And what this does, as you can see, it's been cut segmentally around here like this and on the sides. And basically, it brings the air from the top of your room to the canopy exactly where it's needed. In the old ways, we rely on the air coming into the bottom of the floor, heating up. And of course, as it heats up, it's losing CO2. This way, the CO2 is getting directly to where it's needed. It goes up and down, adjustable pulleys. You can either have the fan here or you can have the fan outside your room, depending if it's powerful enough. And what this will do, will mix all the microclimates in your room. So basically gets rid of your oscillating fan. You don't need it. It goes wrong for a pastime anyway. Buy one of these. They're a little bit more expensive, but you'll save your money really quickly. And it's silent. That's the great thing about it. There's no moving the parts. The Diffuse Air comes from 4 inch all the way up to 10 inch. We recommend you look at this. It's really good.